Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for normal distribution. The mark obtained by 5,000 students in the SM025 final examination are normally distributed with the mean 60 and the standard deviation 8. So do remember, express the situation in variance. A. Find the probabilities that a student chosen at random lay marks between 50 to 70. So here we have the questions. X is greater than 50, less than 70. So here we have the keywords between. Means that 50 and 70 is not included. Step number 1. Kindly standardize the situation. Step number 1. Standardize the situation. So where we will have 50 minus 60 over 8. Followed by Z. Then less than 70 minus 60 over 8 as well. So simplify the situation. So probabilities that Z is greater than negative 1.25, less than 1.25. So kindly refers to the table. So locate the situation where we have Z is equals to negative 1.25 and Z is equals to 1.25. Shaded the region. Kindly refers to the formula. So means that what we have to do is to eliminate Z is greater equals to 1.25. Same goes to this part. So here we have 1 minus probabilities that Z greater than 1.25 for the part A. For the part B, we were having the same situation. So means that we have to multiply with the 2. So refers to the table where we have 1 minus 2 multiply with 0.1056. So simplify the situation and we will have 1 minus 132 over 625. As a conclusion, the probabilities that between 50 to 70 is equals to 0.7888. Kindly refers to B. If a student with 80 mark or more is considered excellent, estimate the numbers of excellent students. So in here, the question will be probabilities that X and 80. Refers to the question 80 marks or more. So means that greater and equals to. Step number 1, standardize the situation. So where we have probabilities that Z is greater equals to 80 minus 60 over 8. Simplify the situation. Probabilities that Z is greater equals to 2.5. By referring to the table and the probabilities that X is greater equals to 80, 0.00621. So here in total, we have 5,000 students. So means that we have to make use of the 5,000 multiply with the probability 0.00621. So we will have the total student which is equals to 31.05. Kindly round up the situation and we will have 31 students who will get excellent. Kindly refers to the question C, given 75%, where we have 0.75 as a probability of the student pass the examination. Estimate the minimum passing marks. So in here, we have probabilities that X greater equals to A. Let the A become the passing mark, which is equals to 0.75. Step number 1, standardize the situation. So we will have Z greater equals to A minus 60 over 8 equals to 0.75. Next, refers to the diagram. Then, locate the value of Z on the left. Refers to the question, Z is greater equals to A minus 60 over 8, where we have the region. So in here, what we have to do is to modify the situation. Kindly flip the diagram. And we have the Z is on the right. Then we have the region on the left. So in order to have the situation or the probability on this part, so what we have to do is to modify the situation. 1 minus, eliminate this part where we have probabilities that Z is greater equals to A minus 60 over 8, which is equals to 0.75. Rearrange the situation. Probabilities that Z greater equals to A minus 60 over 8 is equals to 1 minus 0.75 and we will have 0.25. kindly refers to the statistical table, and we have the value for alpha, which is equals to 0.25. The value of z will be equals to 0.6745. So here will be the situation. Kindly refers to the diagram where we have the original position of the z actually is equals to negative 0.6745. So the z actually is equals to a minus 60 over 8. So a minus 60 over 8 is equals to negative 0.6745. Rearrange the situation in order to have the value of a, or the minimum passing marks. So a is equals to 8 multiplied with negative 0.6745 plus with the 60. So the passing mark for a is equals to 54.6 marks, or we can say a is equals to 54.6% as the minimum passing mark. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.